Hi kids! Do you know about Florence Nightingale? Well, in this story, you are going to find out why she is remembered in history. The mother of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy on May 12, 1820. A talented and compassionate nurse, Nightingale is one of the most important people in history. Studying nursing in Germany from 1850 to 1851, Nightingale returned to London at the completion of her training to work at the Harley Street Hospital. As a conscientious and competent nurse, Nightingale had a positive impact at the hospital from day one. The patients loved her, and the doctors admired her. Soon, her hard work was noticed by nurses and doctors in other hospitals. In fact, she was such a good nurse that she was invited to lead a team of other nurses looking after soldiers injured in the Crimean War. In her new job, Nightingale made small but important changes at the British military hospital where she worked. These changes included keeping the patients clean, treating patients with respect, and ensuring doctors and nurses kept their hands and hospitals clean. Although these changes were very small, her approach to cleanliness and patient care reduced the death rate by about 2/3. Thanks to Nightingale, medical professionals worldwide started washing their hands, talking to their patients, and making sure their hospitals were clean. Sadly, Nightingale passed away from natural causes on August 13, 1910. Not forgotten, Nightingale's life and contributions to medicine are honored on International Nurses Day, held annually on May 12th. Okay kids, make sure you do all the activities in the book and practice reading the stories out loud, as they'll help you improve your English. See you in the next video.